Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the company MNR Solution Private Limited. The role is Oracle DBA L3. The location is Mumbai. The candidate must have installation and upgradation of Oracle and RAC on 10G, 11G, or 12G under Linux platform. Must have Oracle AMS and implementation experience with script writing, telling, and automation of regular DBA admin tasks. Second technology is Senior Lead DBA for the company BirlaSoft. The location is India. The requirements are experience in database upgradation, requirement in experience in database performance tuning, deep understanding of Oracle database and architecture of administration. The third technology is Lead Assistant Manager in the company EXL. The location is Haryana. The requirements are 2.5 years of experience. And the fourth technology is DBA Manager for the company Visible Alpha. The location is Mumbai. Look, what you will do is identifying knowledge and skill gap of existing team and recommend learning paths and assisting planning, implementation of maintaining multiple platform production database server environment like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. And the fifth technology is Senior Consultant Tax Information Officers of MongoDB Developer for the company Deloitte. The location is Bangalore. The qualification needed is 5+ years of experience as SQL DBA developer. This should be include extensive work experience with table designing, index utilization, stored procedure, query plan analysis, and performance tuning. And 3+ years of working experience as MongoDB developer in administration. Links will be given in the video description, so you can apply them directly. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for more job details. Thank you.